My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Tury, T-U-R-I. This is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Tury ransomware may easily penetrate into the computer. And then after users turn their computers on, someday they suddenly realize that all these bad changes have taken place with their files, and the files got damaged and encrypted by this Tury ransomware. Keep in mind that my video is solely for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. Now I'm showing you the damage of this ransomware and its negative impact on the files. So when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Tury extension. The ransomware tells the victims that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, then start the application and begin researching and investigating your computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial. Click on Start Scan. So most likely the software should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats which were found on your computer. You will also be able to know the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected and to remove this ransomware from your system.